Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenel Narcisse on your Cotton Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that I ordered from Ironheart UK or Ironheart America on the last week of September. And it's only now that I'm going to unbox it with 91 pesos and 76 cents. And which is equivalent to 58.20 conversion pesos per dollar. So the timing is right because the conversion for $4 to peso was very low at the time that I bought this item. And I got the last pair of size 31 in their pants. So we're going to unbox this item. And as usual, you have the brown bag from Ironheart. We're going to open it. This is the item. Actually, I got a overshirt from Bronson Manufacturing, I think 3 years ago. And this will be a very nice pair for my shirt. This is Ironheart. And this is it. It says the item is IH737 TSC, Tiger Stripe Camouflage. IH737 and TSC, Tiger Stripe Camouflage in cargo pants. We'll now have a product review of these pants. Of course, Tiger Stripe had been popularized by the troops in South Vietnam during the Vietnam War, and then this uniform was adopted by the Special Forces of the United States when they were involved in the Vietnam War. And we saw this kind of uniform in the Special Forces movie, which starred John Wayne. And since then, this is the most sought after militaria in the vintage or militaria wear. You have a nice rivets to strengthen the pocket. It's only here on the coin pocket, and you have a nice button with, of course, the Ironheart. This is not a throwout button, but this is a zipper zip fly. Okay, and this is size 31. Most of my pants from Ironheart, whether they are denims or this kind cargo pants, my size is size 31. And the dimension says that the size of the waist is, of course, 32. I have it hemmed for size 31, the length. And of course, you have also some rivets on the pocket. Rivets on the pockets also. This is nice. You have a sliding pocket entry. Oh, that's nice. You have rivets. And of course, the buttons are not snap but ordinary there button. It's almost the same with my uniform when I was in the active military service, but we did not use any Tiger Stripe uniform. But I could recall that when I was in the Special Forces, I had this kind of uniform that I could no longer locate it where I was able to store it. And of course, this is a true to uniform. This is double knee. Okay. And you have those cargo side pocket. And you have buttons also on the both sides. But there's no double butt. Usually on my what you call camouflage, other camouflage, they try to have a double butt, double cloth on the butt portion, but this one is only single. So this is 10 ounces. It is very comfortable, very soft, and it's not too heavy. And of course, you have the tab that says Iron Heart. And I think this is the one that you are paying more than what you have paid for an ordinary Tiger Stripe Camouflage pants. To the fitting video of this particular pants, cargo pants, and I really like the print. And of course, as usual, you have a very yellowish inside weave of the fabric. I think this is almost the same with the one that I have a tiger stripe with Bronson. So we'll have another comparison of the item that I bought from Bronson, and we will try to analyze it and have a very proper assessment as to the comparison between the fabric being used by Bronson Manufacturing and the fabric being used by Iron Heart of Japan. So we'll go now with the fitting video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and so that we can sustain our YouTube channel. And if you have any comments about these pants, please write your comment in the comment section, and don't forget to click that notification bell so that you will be informed of my latest videos in this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.